Hey guys! I was just gone off for a wee somewhere. I have no signal. There's this pub here. It's not got Wi-Fi. It's closed as well, unfortunately. I've connected to BT Wi-Fi though. I've got one bar, which is good. So we're literally in the middle of nowhere right now. We were on our way through to a place called Nillig. Chances are we're going to lose signal tonight. We're camping out in Gluckanog Forest. Hopefully have a real awesome campfire. Fingers crossed we get a campfire tonight, because we've been lugging around a big bag of coal for the entire damn trip and we've not had a fire yet. I mean, are you even camping if you have a fire? No.
Where's Nillig? Ah! Right. It's just my legs pulling tight.